Hello students, let us solve examples of exercise 5.8. Question number 1. Examine whether the following are polygons. If any one among them is not, say why. So in this question, figures are given. We have to examine whether it is polygons or not. So students, what is a polygon? Polygon is a plain closed figure made up of line segment. We know that a triangle and the quadrilaterals are polygons of 3 sides and 4 sides. So polygons are closed figure made up of line segments. So let us find it out from the figure. Students, these are the 4 figures given in the question. According to definition, polygon is a closed figure. So this question number A is made up of line segment. But it is not closed, it is open. Hence, A is not a polygon. Now students, this is question number B, which is given in the question. So, in this question, it is made up of line segment and it is a closed. Hence, question number B is a polygon. Now, question number C is a circle. Circle is a closed figure. But is it a polygon? No. Why no? Because polygon is made up of line segment. Hence, circle is not a polygon. Question number D. Now, this is question number D. Is it a polygon? No. Why no? Because all sides of the figure are not made up of line segments. You can see this is a line segment, but this is curve. Hence, question number D is also not a polygon because all sides of the figures are not made up of line segments. Definitions of polygon is that polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. So, question number D is also not a polygon. So, let us write answers. Solution A. It is an open figure. So, it is not a polygon. It is an open figure, so it is not a polygon. Number B. The figure is a polygon because it was made up of a line segment. The figure is a polygon. Now, number C. It is a closed figure. It is a closed figure, but not made of line segments. It was circle. It is not made of line segments. So, it is not a polygon. So, it is not a polygon. Now, number D. All the sides of the figure are not line segments. All the sides of the figure are not line segments. So, it is not a polygon because one was curved. Question number 2. Name each polygon. So students, here we have to name each polygon that is given in the figure and make 2 more examples of each of these. The same, according to the figure, we have to make 2 more examples. So let us see the figure. Number A is which type of figure? It is a quadrilateral because 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides are there. So, let us make 2 more examples of the quadrilateral. So, we will draw four sides quadrilateral that is having four sides. We can draw any figure that is having four sides. So this is one type of the figure. Let us draw another type of the figure. You can draw any shape, but it should made up of four line segments because it is a quadrilateral. So here we have made example of two quadrilaterals. Now number B. Number B is which shape? It is triangle. So it is three sides. So we will make two more examples of triangles. So let us draw triangle. So here we will make two more examples of triangle. This is one type of triangle. Let us draw another type of the triangle. So this is another example of the triangle. It is made up of three line segments. Now question number C is which shape? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is pentagon. Let us make two more examples of pentagon. So students, we will make another examples of pentagon, and it should be of 5 line segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 line segments. Let us draw another type of the pentagon. Students, you can draw any shape. This is one line segment. Another line segment. You can draw any shape pentagon. So students, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is pentagon second example. Question number D is which shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is octagon. So let us make one example of two examples of octagon. So students, let us draw another example of octagon. Students, it can be any shape, but it should be of 8 line segments. So that is the other example of octagon. So let us count line segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is one example of octagon. Let us make another shape of octagon. So students, let us draw another example of octagon so that you will be able to draw it properly. You can make dots because you can draw it properly, and you can then count the line segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is another example of octagon. Now students, let us write names of each polygon. A, the given polygon is a quadrilateral. So here we will write quadrilateral, and two examples we have drawn. B, the given polygon is a triangle, and we have done two examples of triangle. C, the given polygon is a pentagon, and we have done examples of pentagon. And D, the given polygon is a octagon. The given polygon is an octagon, and we have done two examples of octagon. Question number 3. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon connecting any three of its vertices. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of the triangle you have drawn. So, a rough sketch of regular hexagon has been drawn. we have to connect any three vertices, we have to draw triangle, and we have to identify which type of triangle it is. Students, this is a rough sketch of regular hexagon. Hexagon means how many line segments, students? 6 line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, we have to join any three vertices. Students, here we have joined A, C and E vertices. And we have made a triangle. So which type of triangle it is? It is equilateral triangle because this is regular hexagons having all sides and angles equal. Hence this is equilateral triangle. So let us write answer. Solution: A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. It is a regular hexagon, and by connecting the vertices, which vertices is connected? A, C and E. We get an equilateral triangle. So here we will write we get an equilateral triangle. Now students, next question. Question number 4. Draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertices of the octagon. Now here we will draw regular octagon and we have to draw rectangle. So for rectangle, how many vertices we will join? 4 vertices. Now students, this is a octagon. Octagon having how many line segments? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 line segments. We have to take 4 vertices. So let us take 4 vertices and let us join these 4 vertices. So we will get which shape? Rectangle shape we will get. So here we will join these vertices. And which shape we are getting? This is which shape? Rectangle. These are the 4 vertices. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us write answer. Solution: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. How many it should be there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices are there. Is a regular octagon. Regular octagon. So here which vertices we have joined? We get rectangle by connecting the vertices. Which vertices we have connected? C, D, G and H. These 4 vertices we have connected. Question number 5. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of the polygon. Any 2 opposite vertices of the polygon and is not a. Question number 5. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any 2 vertices of the polygon and is not a side of the polygon. Draw a rough sketch of a pentagon and draw its diagonals. Now here we have to draw a rough sketch of pentagon and then we have to draw its diagonals. So let us draw this. So students, we will join opposite vertices, line segment PS, line segment PR, then which is the opposite vertices, line segment RT also we can join. So this is line segment RT. Now line segment QT is also opposite vertices. Then line segment QS. So students, we have drawn line segment PS, line segment PR, line segment QT, then line segment QS and line segment RT. All these are diagonals. Diagonals means we are joining opposite vertices and joining opposite vertices by line segment. So let us write answer. Solution: PQRST is a pentagon. Pentagon having 5 sides is a pentagon. Line segment PS, line diagonals that are line segment PS, line segment PR, line segment QT, line segment QS and line segment RT are the, how many diagonals are these? There are 5 diagonals. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the 5 diagonals. So pentagons we have drawn 5 diagonals, and pentagon is also with a 5 sides.